So here for the electrostatic sprayer, the electrostatic charge is actually coming from the base of the unit, and the flow of the material is coming out to the tip charged already. And this has a adjustable tip to be able to extend it out and be able to reach a wider area, and that has to do with being able to cover back and forth a large area, like potentially picnic tables or tables outside in an eating area that we're all eating outside now. I've chosen for an outside application 2 of the 74 micron tips, and I'm going to turn on the pump, and this one does have a trigger to allow you to stop, move to another area when you're spraying. So there's your material coming out, and the flow you can see here is quite considerably more with the 2 tips, so you can move along fast.